Hi, and welcome everybody to our quarterly product review. Today we will talk about Q2 2024, and I brought Martin again. Hi, Martin.
Hi, Tobias.
So, our topics today are bot filters.
And the second one is a CPA Baseline Commission feature for our iGaming customers. And and, and
Number three.
number three, exactly the some improvements on the second page of our payouts.
And also, we will reveal what we are currently working on and what you can expect for us in the third quarter. So, let's start right away with the bot filters. There, we do have bot filters, and they're quite strict in the background. So, if there is traffic or even conversions from a bot that we know, they go straight to untracked. You don't even see them in the UI. But what happened is that sometimes we have user agents that are suspicious and that were not yet filtered. So we introduced a new click filter that those suspicious user agents appear as filtered clicks. So those clicks will be filtered and you will still be able to see the full traffic in raw clicks. So now, a much more exciting topic, the CPA baselines for iGaming. Martin, what is this all about?
Yeah, Tobias, let me describe the key idea behind. Players are acting totally differently. Some of them doing their deposits really fast after the registration, and other ones needs to have much more time for their first deposit, and other ones doing no deposit at all. And with this new feature, you would like to reflect this behavior in two kind of buckets or thresholds. Um, Imagine you can determine your players by first depositor and multi-depositor, and you can give commission differently for these two kind of groups. And in order to define these groups, we brought this new model to the commission model. And you as a user can determine a time frame for the time that a player needs to have for his first deposit and a time frame for a second deposit or multi-deposits. And you can define the base for this threshold. You can decide to based on sum of deposits, or you can decide to based on the number of deposits. And for each kind of thresholds, you define the baseline. And at the end of this, a specific conversion will be triggered that follows the usual way of our commission model. So you define thresholds on the left side, and the system creates conversions on the right side, following the normal event-based pricing that you can set in the commission model. Um,
This is very cool, by the way, I can confirm. So we showed it to our first iGaming customers
yeah,
and they're already using it and it's very, very useful because in a nutshell, it's an automation of processes and it
yeah.
makes life much more easy and commissioning way more transparent for everybody.
And let me add
Nice.
a detail. Um, you define players by their behavior. So you have the control to build your own thresholds, and this is I think it's complete new for us, and I think it's also fitting the gaming needs.
Brilliant. The next topic is something it was a small change, but is quite visible, and it's quite visible in billing and partner payments. Tell us more about it.
Yeah, it's interesting because it's really a small change, but with a huge impact. On the second page for your payouts, you usually have this empty detailed column for conversions. And now this column will gives you more information about the specific calculation of each position in the payout. Um, as you already know, you have the number of conversions in this document. And now you also have groups by the commission model behind. So you see for each commission model that creates commission to the partner, you see the name of the model. And you also see, as already it is, the target and category combination. And now the specific unit price in the detailed column. And this gives you a better overview, and you can read it from left to right. The number of conversions, multiple, the unit price, is the total amount for this position. It's really small, but it's gives more details and transparency to the calculation of the commission. And the partner already knows this, by the way, because the commission model itself is part of the relationship. So this information already is already known and also shown now on the detailed page for our payouts.
Nice. A small improvement which makes life easier, especially in billing. Nice one. So this is not an awful lot, and there's a reason. So what can you expect in Q3? And this also is part of the question or answer what we've been doing in Q2, a part of those rather not major features, right? So obviously, as you already know, we were working on our new reporting, or as we call it, DataViews, Martin.
Yes. And in this package, we have now worked on the sharing feature for DataViews. So you as a user can create reports. Nice. And now you can also share these reports with a specific group or specific number or partner of the platform. So you can create custom or partner specific reports with the own names, and you can share this with a specific partner. And I think this is a complete new way for us because our normal report or classic reporting is global, and now you
Yeah,
can make specific reports.
this is really, 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 really nice. I can tell you, it's really specific reportings and specific reportings you can share with with your partners. So nice. We had people asking for this a lot in the past, and also we are working on something else. Or we just started doing the concept,
Hmm.
and it's about. It doesn't even have a name yet, right? It's about relationship and automating relationships and establishing relationship by rules. So if you want to auto accept your partners to your programs, um, basically this is what this feature will allow you to do. But we're trying to do it the ingenious way, right?
Yes. And it should make your life easier because partners with a lot of ad spaces will benefit from this for sure.
So, thanks, Martin. Very interesting insights, nice new features. I've already seen them working and they are helpful. Uh, just a small housekeeping note, release notes, our release notes and our documentation. And please remember to read our newsletters. We try to send them out monthly. In summer, this may not always work out because it's summer, but this is the way we keep you informed and updated. We are quite transparent and like to share what we release, right? So, thank you, everybody. And to all our clients and friends, we're hoping to hear from you. If you have any questions, input, whatever, talk to us, reach out. You know where to find us. Bye bye.
Thank you, Tobias.